Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about Rancher. In the previous video I talked about Portainer, and Portainer it is a container or Docker management system. This new one, which is Rancher, is a Kubernetes management system. You can manage your cluster. It doesn't matter if you have it in Google or in DigitalOcean hosting, or in Amazon. So this one is easy to use, and you can install it right away. Today I'm going to install it with Docker. I have here Docker desktop application, and also I will go later and install it with Docker with DigitalOcean. So it is the same. It doesn't matter if you install it locally or install it with DigitalOcean or with another external clouding company. So if you see here, we have in our Docker locally, we have here a Portainer already installed, in which we did install it to manage our Docker containers. But today I'm going to install this Rancher with inside this Docker in order to manage my Kubernetes clusters with DigitalOcean. So let's start first. This is the website of Rancher. We are going to get and click on Get Start. Here at the bottom we will see how to install or start a new server. Let me just go first and see if I have any application that with port 80. I have this one, but it's already it's not working, so I will remove it. So first I will just go and use this. I will open my terminal. Okay, so this is my terminal. I just go and paste and click enter. It will ask me about my computer password, and it will look for the image. Then I will pull the image from Docker Hub and start the installation. It will take some time to install it locally in our Docker desktop application. So we'll just need to wait a little bit. So here we are, it's done already. Let's check if it has been installed. Let me just go. It's here, as you see, Rancher. And if we go and open it in the browser, we'll wait a little bit. At the beginning, normally you will see not secure. This is normal. You have just to accept, and that's how it is. So this is the user, which is the default is admin, and you have to choose your own password. I agree and continue. And here we are, we have a Rancher. You have to choose your own link. So we have localhost, save it. Okay, and here you can just go and start adding your own cluster. Here it gives you if you want to connect your own clouding company, hosting cloud company. So you have Amazon, Azure, DigitalOcean, Linode, vSphere, and Google also. You can just go and click from here. If you have already your cluster with other company, just import existing cluster. If not, you need to go and add your own cluster, connect your DigitalOcean cluster from here. So in the next tutorial we will see how to add a new cluster from DigitalOcean or from Google directly to our Rancher management system, so we can drop new pods and containers.